Hi, I'm Tony with Tony's Plumbing out of Oakdale, Minnesota, and we are here today doing some Uponor install at a house that had a fire. I've been in the plumbing industry for 25 years and I started my own back in 2014. I would say I started using Uponor back in around 2005 era, and we've been using it ever since for the last 20 years. It's tried and true, and that's the only product we install at our company because it is a AquaPEX, and we feel it is the best PEX out there. The house here we're working on today, they had a house fire. Since that house fire happened, we had freezing weather and things like that, so we know pretty much for a fact that we got to start over with everything. Obviously we're down to the studs here in the whole house, so it gives us an opportunity to replace all the wasted vent along with all the water piping, go all the way to the meter and go all the way to every fixture. That way we know everything is good, and fortunately also for the homeowners, they get all brand new products. So the reason I like to use Uponor on all of our projects is because you have to expand it to put it together. We have no mistakes, and there's never a question if something was put together properly because the tool and the connections put it together. Our business is our small family business. The three things that are most important to us at Tony's Plumbing: quality, customer care, and excellence. Like I say, Uponor just has been great to us, and I continue to use their product because I feel I can stand behind it, and they also got my back.